Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom right here, then another one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And I guess that's all of them. Yep, that's all of the speakers. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. Okay, and clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.